Come, let us together make a better, inclusive world for people with Down syndrome. It is challenging but definitely rewarding. This is the story of Tejal Shah. It all began when she was getting her nest ready for her first child. She had no inkling that her foray into the world of motherhood will help her to find her true calling, to help people. Over the last 5 years, Tejal Shah, a special educator, a fashion designer and mother of one, has tirelessly worked to change society's views and perceptions on Down syndrome and has been creating more supportive environment for people with Down syndrome. Tejal Shah, an Excellence Award winner for the cause of Down syndrome and for establishing a course on Down syndrome in association with Down Syndrome Federation of India, a proud parent, a special educator, the co-founder of Bangalore Humsafar, a WhatsApp parent support group, and a co-founder of the first formal certificate program on Down syndrome in India. As a special educator, she has developed her own socio-communication program and a reading program. She also gives guidance to parents on strategies to work with their children and home programs for children depending on their levels.
When did you find out about your daughter's diagnosis? What did you do after you found out? And did you follow the early intervention program?
November 9th, 2013 was the happiest day of our life. My husband and I were blessed with our beautiful daughter Khushi. 21 days later, we were informed that our daughter had been diagnosed with Down syndrome. This news absolutely tore us apart. I was shattered like any other parent who would always wish the best of the health for her child. Like most parents, what I did was search the internet about Down syndrome, read a lot, met a few parents and children with Down syndrome. While that did give me a lot of insight on Down syndrome and families living with the syndrome, I wasn't too satisfied. I was desperate to learn more about the syndrome to give the best to my daughter. Well, my life changed when Khushi was just 2 months old and I met Dr. Rekha Ramachandran, President of Down Syndrome Federation of India, who is the driving force of this community since the last 38 years. She is my godmother and a special friend who is very close to my heart. A true big heart, I must say, who believes in giving unconditionally without any expectations. She inspires me every moment. So she connected me to her entire medical team and put Khushi in an early intervention program with a physiotherapist and filled me with a lot of hope and positivity. After that, there was no looking back. I started speech therapy sessions for Khushi when she was 14 months old and practiced it religiously with her at home. I used talk tools which really helped Khushi to attain clarity and strengthened her facial muscle tone. At 18 months, I took her to mother-toddler programs, music group sessions in order to develop her social and communication skills. This continued till she turned 4. At around 4, reading was introduced to her, and today at 6, she does love reading a lot of books. A lot of park time and interaction with the peer group was a priority always in her schedule. Sports like swimming, gymnastics have also been introduced to her from a very young age. So now at 6, she has already learned cycling without balance wheels and also knows yoga very well. She does love classical singing also and knows around 10 songs. Definitely there were struggles and challenges and all of that, but I have not left any stone unturned in developing Khushi's personality, and I will continue doing the same.
How did Bangalore Humsafar group form? What number has it grown to today?
When I attended the World Down Syndrome Congress in Chennai in 2015, I got the opportunity to connect to the experts and parents from all over the world. It was an amazing experience, I must say. So I wanted other parents to experience the same, and I also wanted to share the information with the parents who could not attend the conference or were not aware about such valuable events being held in the country. That led me to start a WhatsApp support group in my city with another parent. This group is called Bangalore Humsafar, and as of today, there are more than 250 parents in the group.
How does this group help parents and their children?
In this group, the parents empower each other, organize get-togethers, bond and help each other, discuss issues, share information, give feedback about their daily lives, therapists, doctors, inclusive schools, and centers which support people with Down syndrome to a large extent. We've also planned and organized an all-India meet of 92 families with children with Down syndrome in the year 2017 for 3 nights and 4 days in Bangalore. This was an enriching experience for all involved. They got the opportunity to learn from each other and understand that a holistic approach is the best way to bring out the true potential of children with Down syndrome. Experts from various fields such as art, music, theatre, dance, yoga were invited to deliver practical sessions for parents here. Since 2018, we have been providing free medical checkup camps so that all experts are under one roof, allowing children to benefit the most. In 2019, we initiated a tie-up with Rainbow Hospital Bangalore, which will eventually provide a one-stop medical support for all the children with Down syndrome.
What is the educational toolkit? What age group of children benefit from it? Who all can use it?
Educational Toolkit is considered as an important resource by the Down Syndrome Federation of India and is recommended for the overall development of the child. The tools are for the age group 2 years to 15 years ideally. However, it also varies from child to child. For complete details, here is the link. This kit consists of 16 tools as of now, some of which cater to sensory needs, explains emotions visually, takes care of the processing and perception skills, behavior, reading, comprehension skills, and sex education too. This toolkit was created with the goal to assist mothers who are struggling to find time to work with their children in creative and easy ways. Moreover, it also helps therapists and teachers as it's a ready resource that can be used to work with children depending on their individual requirement. As of now, more than 120 kits have been dispatched. This toolkit has been presented at various conferences, institutes and awareness camps in the last 3 years.
When and why was a first certificate course on Down syndrome introduced in India? What are the benefits?
In 2019, I along with Dr. Rekha Ramachandran developed the first formal course on Down syndrome in India. This course educates doctors, teachers, parents, special educators, therapists, and anyone who is interested in improving the lives of people with Down syndrome. It gives in-depth knowledge about the condition and gives an insight into the lives of children and adults with Down syndrome. The participants do get a certificate on completion from Information and Resource Center and Down Syndrome Federation of India.
Are you planning to start an online course? Why?
Yes, I am currently developing the first online certificate course on Down syndrome in association with Down Syndrome Federation of India and Information and Resource Center. I am very excited to share that we are starting this course on 20th of June 2020. People from anywhere around the world will be able to access it. The reason for having this course online is not everyone can go to an institute, right? But they can do this course online and support people with Down syndrome. There is definitely a lot of hope for people with Down syndrome if they are given the right opportunities at the right time. They can do wonders and can many times perform better than the typical people.
How can anybody contribute to the cause of Down syndrome or do a course on Down syndrome offline or online, or how can they take guidance for their child?
In case you wish to provide support in any medical camp, or if you want any guidance related to Down syndrome, participate in any of the program mentioned, or if you wish to enroll in the online or offline course on Down syndrome, please do get in touch on this number with Tejal Shah on 9886 000 154, or you can also email on tejalvikashshah@gmail.com, or you can visit the Down Syndrome Federation of India website, which is www.downsyndrome.in. Join us to make a difference, and let's together work for the cause of Down syndrome, as every life matters.